Hello, my dear friends. Friends, I'm making two videos, and this is the first one in which I will describe a technique of self hypnosis, hypnotizing yourself for good, right? And this technique is as given by the great Tibetan Lama T. Lobsang Rampa in one of his books. The book is You Forever. So I have taken this technique from that book, and a long time ago, when I tried it for the first time, it is so wonderful. It is so wonderful technique. So I have used this technique for doing a lot of good to myself. The same you can do. You can overcome your negative traits. You can get rid of any bad habit like smoking, drinking. It could be anything, any bad habit, any negative trait which you wish to overcome, get rid of. Because through this technique, you will be able to tap into your subconscious mind. That is what hypnosis is all about. And this is very safe. See, nowadays it is very difficult to find a genuine hypnotist. There are many, but hypnotism, you may be aware or may not be aware about this, that hypnotism can be misused as well. But that is only if it is being done by another person. That person can give some wrong commands and use the person whom the hypnotist is hypnotizing. So this technique of self-hypnosis is the safest, and it works. Since I have tried it and I have benefited, so I can assure you that it works. Now I will be describing in two videos, because in this first video of today I will tell you how to relax fully, because in order to go into that state of trance, hypnotic state, you need to be fully, utterly relaxed. See, in Hatha Yoga there is a posture called Shavasana, and they say you lie down in Shavasana and you will be relaxed. Okay, fine, but this technique will make you truly 100% relaxed, which even Shavasana cannot. And you require to put some effort just for the first time in this in developing this technique of relaxation. If you do it in a proper way, in a relaxed way, the very first time, and you achieve it, then during the next sessions, whenever you want to get completely relaxed, it will be much easier. So it is only for the first time that it is not difficult. I wouldn't say difficult, but there is a procedure, you have to follow it, right? Now make sure that the time you are spending on this During that time, nobody is going to disturb you, right? You can do it in your bedroom, anywhere. The lights should not be very bright, dim light. If you are doing in your bedroom during the day, don't switch on the lights. Pull the curtains so that it is dark. Not fully dark, but slightly dark. Not bright. Right? And you lie down supine. That means on your back, facing upwards, flat on your bed. Or if you are doing it on a floor, then spread a soft rug and lie down supine. Shake your legs and arms a couple of times, then let them relax flat on the bed or ground. Right? Your arms relaxing on the bed or rug on your sides, your legs relaxing. Breathe normally. Take your time. Relax. Now close your eyes lightly and imagine that your whole body is a large organization, or it is a factory. I visualize, when I do it, I visualize my whole body is like a factory, and there are tiny workers, very conscientious workers, duty-bound workers, tiny workers, everywhere in my body, from toes to the top of my head, at every muscle, everywhere, every nerve center, everywhere. They are working, repairing or doing whatever job is required in our body. Very tiny workers. Visualize it. The more you can visualize, the better. It works. It is very ancient technique, very good technique. You will find when you do it. Now start with your left leg. Stand somewhere, visualize that you are somewhere, and through a public address system, you are announcing to all the workers, right, in your left leg, to assemble on your left thigh. Tell the workers that you are going to close down the factory because of certain reason, and if any worker is left behind, that worker will be locked and you won't be responsible. So ask them to collect, assemble on your left thigh. As they come up, leave your left foot, your left leg, and assemble on your left thigh. You will feel that the places where they are left become so numb with relaxation, no tension at all. And if you still feel any tension in that part, that means one or two odd workers are still working there. They are trying to finish their job. Tell them forcibly that please come, follow my instructions. You will be locked otherwise. And as they leave, you visualize they leave, assemble, come to your left thigh, your whole leg will be relaxed. Then tell them to go up and assemble near your navel. As they do so, now your complete left leg will be fully relaxed. You will find that as if it is not there, so relaxed. Then you just imagine that at your navel there is a kind of lift which is going outside your body into space. So ask the workers to ride in that lift and leave the body, and visualize Visualize them leaving your body. Now do the same with your right leg, from toes to thighs and then to navel, and you will find your both legs as if they are not there, so relaxed. It is wonderful. Now do the same with your left arm, from your fingertips to your shoulders. Then bring all the workers to your chest and then ask them to come to your navel, and then from the navel through this imaginary lift, visualize them leaving your body. Tell them not to come back till you ask them to do so. Do the same with your right arm, then with the top of your head, forehead, face, neck, chest, and bring all the workers to your navel, and then visualize them leaving through this imaginary lift away from your body. They are gone. No worker is left, and you are utterly, fully relaxed. It is wonderful, my dear friends. Do it. A little effort, and that only for the first time. Then, see, Lobsang Rampa has mentioned it, and I am telling you from my own experience. It took a while, took some effort, for the first time only. Then, whenever I lie down now, within moments, the whole body is relaxed. I don't have to announce even, right? So you set up a automatic system response. So do it right the first time. Take your time. Now, in the next video, we will look into the actual how you will go into hypnotic state, and for that you have to do two things. First of all, till I make the next video, you have plenty of time. You practice this technique of relaxation. Practice. Do it a couple of times. Master it. Right? You will benefit. It can transform your life. You can achieve whatever you want. Get rid of your negative traits and cultivate good habits, good values. You will be a new person. Yes, my dear friends, it is wonderful. Now, the first thing I told you, homework. This is your homework, to practice this technique couple of times. And then another thing is, if you are going to do it in your bedroom, if you are lying down or sitting on a comfortable chair or easy chair, it depends on you. You have to fix a tiny light, preferably red, and it should be night light, not very bright, dimmest, available in the market, night lamp, dimmest, and preferably red. If you can't find red, then it is okay. Go for yellow or blue or other color, but it should be the dimmest light, night lamp, and fix it somewhere on the opposite wall where you can look at it, and it should be slightly higher up so that when you look at it, you strain your eyes. There is a purpose behind it, and you will know in my next video. So my dear friends, this technique is not created by me. It is an ancient technique and given by the great Tibetan Lama Lobsang Rampa, and it works, I assure you. It is wonderful. It can transform you, right? So put some efforts, do your task well, and look forward to my next video. Thank you for watching.